So that's it. Let's start. This is an Asus laptop, sponsored by. We need to handle it carefully. Why? Because this one is so expensive. What's up, guys? This is Jordan Chato and welcome to another video. As you can see in the title box, we'll be doing a unboxing.
Yes.
Okay, unboxing of a
Manny Pacquiao.
laptop. Yeah, this laptop is.
Okay, please show us.
Yeah. Look. Actually, we need to handle it carefully. Why? Because this one is so like makapalit na siya baka, guys.
Pila ka baka?
So that's it. Let's start. This is an Asus laptop, sponsored by Cher.
Sponsored by... All.
Sana all kay, this laptop, nabitulong niya siya for the school year 2020-2021, so that we can give you a quality education.
Charot.
Yeah, so let's get into it.
Go.
Wait, ina-uploadan mo na ako. Guys, I'm not really used to unboxing. This is my first unboxing video.
Oh, it's such an honor.
So, if ever na ako yung mga steps na did you book guys, wala po po yung thing. So, it says here that ayaw i-accept if broken seal. Right?
Yeah.
Ayaw i-accept ko na. So, ito ano ni siya? Ang tamon. Ano di siya? That's why you should
ASMR. ASMR na lang.
oh my gosh. Pag nabalik ito ni.
Oh, ito.
Yeah, it's balik.
Sige.
Sorry guys, it's balik. Ano ni here?
Ano ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Here.
Zoom.
Zoom. Pang Zoom classes. Investment guys, para din maghatag ng your quality education.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here it is. Then look. Oh my god, like this.
Wow!
So it says here, in search of incredible gift card. You know this laptop is updated na ang processor because it's i7.
So that means...
Pero kami ito, makauban na po ako yung laptop sa laptop ka lang, tension pa ito.
Baka naman thinking tools.
So, it's like, thinking tools, baka naman. Ako alam mo ng 20, Okay, so, here it is. Nasa box. Ay, wait, ako sa yung butang ano.
Yeah.
It's heavy, guys. Murag, doon ka kinong bukas. Okay. So, warranty card. So, warranty card. Then, user guide para guide me.
Mag-guide ka.
Mag-guide ka.
Sa user.
Okay, so first boxes na siya. Okay. Yeah, the first box here is the charger. So, bago ko lang next box sa... Umasa ako! Ay, wala na pala. Okay,
Wala na pala.
that's it. So, ako na siyang open. Ito mo na ko. I'm shaking. So, look. Ta-da!
Bali.
It's a notebook PC. Ano ba to? What's this? It's a... Oh my God. Here.
sa manual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since it's my first time, so I think I need your action. Use your manual. Come on guys, ang very amazing na part ani kay Tanawa na hindi ka malain na minsan na siya
Asa na? Okay, what does it say?
core I7 ginger.
Kasi meaning I'm not sure.
It means that pinapaspasan na yung processor, di rin siya muna.
So, laysyuhan.
Laysyuhan ng yun kayo sila USB type, tapos ergo lift. Ano siya?
Hala, wow.
Immersive visual. Let's see, let's open. Kaso, wait. Tada! Oh, see? Kinapaspasan ka ayo.
So nice.
Yeah, welcome user. I know guys, but it's too expensive, but it's worth it. Like investment, you check kaayo.
How much again?
It's 40,000 here, there in ICM, thinking tools. Like if you're a teacher and you have a lot of money, why not?
Yeah,
Invest.
why not?
Okay, if you are a vlogger also, choose i7. Okay? 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 So sa mga nagtanaw karon, ano naman yung ginawa? Sponsor mo ba yung YouTube? Balik-balik kita ba yung So that's it. Sa tanawan na to ang feature. Wala pa siya yung mga apps. Kaya bago pa man siya. Pa-installan pa nimo. So, good thing lang kay very paspas ka ayo. Cursor is okay. Tapos, tanawan na to. Pila ka memory. PC. Oh yeah. Asa mo ana? Ayang OS kay 91.6 GB ang free. Tapos ang data niya kay 931 GB free.
Wow.
So, pwede ka mag-download na yung mga Korean movies. Pwede na din yung downloadan. So, pero if wala mag record, din na lang punta pinili lang. So,
Or magtigom.
yeah, magtigom jud, promise. Like, mag-online selling mo. The edge. Diba? Nipis kaayo.
It's very sleek.
Yeah. And then, pwede siya... Hi, wait. There's memory card here. Pwede siya masaksakan ng memory card na iyakang battery. Ani, tapos, may USB. Then, I don't know what's this.
Ako sad.
I'm not good class chart, guys. So here, HDMI. Use ka na sa teacher karon kung mag-connect ka ng TV. Next one is another USB type. Then, what's this? Another saksakanan. Then headphone. So let's see video. Ay, MP pa man dahil.
Brand new ba yan? Ikaw kinaunahan.
So, I guess, tagaan na lang tamo umindot kayo nga kanabitang montage ani nga laptop. Okay? Okay? Montage din ako ng laptop with the help of my videographer.
Yes.
Yeah, the same videographer in my Black Chai vlog. Yeah, Cher Fj. Can you go?
Hey.
Yeah, can you go? I mean, yeah, can you search her YouTube channel?
Naka-private pa.
Ay, ipa-blink na ba?
Oh, I'll tell you when.
Wow! So that's it guys. Tagayan na akong video. Tagayan na akong montage na video ale. So go! For watching and don't forget to hit like.
Uy, napa, uy!
What?
What message can you tell your viewers? Karon nga, we're going through a pandemic.
Ay, grabe ito eh. Serious na question.
Sige na, Georgian!
Okay, so, kanang viewers, vlog, keep safe lang din mo diha. Then, don't forget to pray. Kay, prayer is the best armor in every
True.
problema nga ato ang ma-encounter sa life. And, coronavirus teaches also that dapat humble ta kay walay kubre o walay dato sa
Tama.
virus. So, if ever na mo sa top karon ayaw mo palabi o kadako ang ulo. So, keep your feet sa ground. Dili lang ta mulupad like balloon dili mo. So, that's it. So, if you are aspiring YouTuber, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, if you are aspiring YouTuber, just like me, I'm still small YouTuber, but then again, keep on making videos and never stop on like uploading videos, even if nalay duha, tulo, isa mo view. Doesn't matter. Ayaw sa lang yung hunahunaan yung maka-porta mo. But hunahunaan na nag-enjoy mo. Well, naataan nga nga pa naman. So, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And please, click the notification bell so you will be updated sa mga next video na ako. So, that's it guys. That's all for today. And love you. Ingat!